Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential accessory for your new iPhone 15, the ZAGG Glass Screen Protector. We found this product online and have added a link in the description for you to check the latest price and availability. Now, let's get into what the ZAGG Glass Plus is all about. This screen protector is designed specifically for the iPhone 15, offering robust protection that goes beyond what you might expect from a standard glass protector. With reinforced edges and a strength rating of 3 times that of traditional glass, this product utilizes innovative ion matrix technology. This means your device gets superior defense against the everyday drops, dings, and scratches that can occur during daily use. One of the standout features of the ZAGG Glass Plus is its total scratch resistance. If you're like many of us who toss our phones into pockets alongside keys or other sharp objects, you'll appreciate the precision surface finishing process that effectively guards against scratches and keeps your screen looking pristine. You can have peace of mind knowing that this screen protector is up to the task, even in those unfortunate moments when you forget to separate your phone from your keys. Another noteworthy feature is its smudge-resistant surface. Nobody enjoys dealing with a screen that's constantly covered in fingerprints. The ZAGG Glass Plus is treated to minimize smudges and fingerprints, ensuring that your phone maintains a clean and clear display. This is particularly beneficial for those who use their devices for photography or video calls, where clarity is key. Plus, the touch sensitivity remains intact, allowing for a smooth user experience without any lag or reduced responsiveness. But that's not all. The ZAGG Glass Plus also includes an odor-fighting treatment. This unique property helps inhibit the growth of odor-causing agents, which is a fantastic bonus for anyone who carries their phone around in less than ideal environments. It adds an extra layer of protection against the degradation of your screen, ensuring it stays in excellent condition for longer. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're someone who values the longevity of your devices and is looking for reliable protection for your iPhone 15, the ZAGG Glass Plus is a solid choice. It's especially great for busy professionals, parents, or anyone who frequently finds themselves on the go. Whether you're in a bustling office, taking your kids to the park, or enjoying outdoor activities, this screen protector is designed to endure. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine you're at a coffee shop, and you accidentally knock your phone off the table. With the ZAGG Glass Plus, you can rest easy knowing that your screen is well protected. Or perhaps you're out for a run with your phone in your pocket, and it bumps against your keys. The scratch resistance feature means you won't have to worry about unsightly scratches ruining your device's appearance. Finally, if you're someone who enjoys capturing moments with your phone, the smudge-resistant surface will help keep your screen looking clean, allowing you to focus on getting that perfect shot. Installation is often a hurdle when it comes to screen protectors, but ZAGG makes it hassle-free. The Invisible Shield Glass Plus comes with an easy-apply installation tray and tabs, which means you can apply it seamlessly without worrying about bubbles ruining the finish. This feature is a huge time saver and adds to the overall positive experience of using this product. In summary, the ZAGG Glass Plus Screen Protector for iPhone 15 provides ultimate protection with its advanced technology, scratch resistance, smudge-free surface, and easy installation. It's a must-have for anyone looking to keep their iPhone looking brand new. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.